Today we are going to make blink LEDs using loops project. Here we require 3 LEDs, 3 1K ohm resistor, 1 Arduino Uno board, a breadboard and a USB cable. First of all, place the LEDs on the breadboard in such a way that the cathode of the LEDs is connected to the negative line of the breadboard. Then connect 1K ohm resistor to each anode pin of the LED. Now take a jumper wire, connect the other terminal of the 1K ohm resistor to pin 11 of the Arduino. Then lastly take a jumper wire and connect the negative line of the breadboard to the ground pin of the Arduino board. Our connections are done. First of all, we will create the variable LED1 and assign pin 13 to it, since the LED is on pin 13. Now in the void setup, declare all these variables as output. So for that, use the pin mode function and inside the bracket first type the name of the variable LED1 and give the mode as output. Similarly, do it for the other. Now we will do the main coding. Here we will create 3 for loops, each for loop for one LED. So first of all, let's create the for loop for LED1. For I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So this for loop will execute for 10 times, therefore turning on and off LED1 10 times. So inside the for loop, write the digital write function to turn on the LED1. Give the value high. This will turn on our LED on pin 13 and then give a delay of 1 second. Similarly, write the code for turning off the LED. Use the digital function and give the value as low and then give a delay of 1 second. Now we will create another for loop for LED2. So here the for loop will be executed 8 times. So lastly we will create the for loop for the third LED. The third LED will turn on and off for 5 times. So the for loop now we can click on the verify button to check our code. It's showing an error because we have not declared the I variable here. So I will just declare the I here. It's showing done compiling. That means our code is correct now. Now we just have to select tools and select Arduino Uno board and the port COM7, and when I click on upload, my code is uploaded to the Arduino board. Output for blinking LED using loop. As you can see, the red LED is connected to pin 13, yellow is on pin 12 and green is on pin 11. So this LED will blink for 10 times, this will blink for 8 times and this will blink for 5 times. Thank you.